No, this is the emergency exit. No.
Nothing can stop us now.
I wonder how.
We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride. It's midnight day on countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get around and have the perfect day. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen. Hi, Goofy.
Hey, howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're not any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Why, sure, Goofy. What could go wrong?
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Ready, folks? Look.
All of us can jump out.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hi, folks. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Mim.
We're gonna take good care of our friend.
The worst, there with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, it's working all right. picnickers. Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so